the other one, is it not?
Right. Yes.
Whoever is wrong, that is secondary, but as a
Mm-hmm.
precautionary measure, one person has to give way to the other person. Okay,
Yes.
but if both are having ego feeling or something like that,
Mm-hmm.
like A and B are coming in the opposite direction, both are having four wheelers, and one is, nobody among them is willing to give way to the other one. Okay, or for example,
Mm-hmm.
A and B are coming in opposite directions like this. A is coming from this direction, and B is here coming from that direction. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
obviously A is having in his mind that let B first give way to me, then I will proceed.
Yes.
And B will be also having similar intention in his mind.
Yeah.
Then obviously never it is going to be opened. Obviously some police people should come and do something, otherwise jam
Yeah.
will be there, is it not? So that is
Yes.
deadlock, that is one deadlock I can tell you. Otherwise I can tell you
Okay.
another simple example. If two friends are there by name A and B, both are good friends
Mm-hmm.
for a while, but after an year or so, after 10 years or so, they got some ego problem. Okay, for
Okay.
some pity thing they got some disturbance and they are not friends anymore.
Okay.
But after 1 year, both of them realized that unnecessarily we fought with each other after 10 years of friendship. They are thinking in that way. Okay. And but ego problem is there. So what A is
Yeah.
thinking is that they met each other in a function. Let us assume a common scenario.
Okay.
You know. So A is having an intention that why can't I talk? But first of all, let him talk. Then I can proceed as well. Okay,
Yeah.
similar attitude B is also having. Then never again they are going to meet.
Yeah.
Is it not? Both are having same
Yes.
intention that let the other one talk first. So that is yet another example for deadlock. You can understand. Is it
Okay.
not? And so many examples. Trains coming on both the directions. Yeah, it is a
Mm.
deadlock again. So many examples we can tell in real life. So in our computer science, how can we discuss about that? See, for example, two threads are there, A and B.
Mm-hmm.
Couple of threads are there by name A and B. This is A thread, and this is B thread. They have to cross this monitor level. As a matter of fact, here monitor level is there, of course.
Yeah.
And inside monitor level, couple of resources are there. One I can tell you is a laptop which has internet
Okay.
connection, and the other one I can tell you is also a system with attached with printer. Okay,
Okay.
the other one is also a system but having a printer side by. Okay, right.
Okay.
That is also a system with a small printer behind that. Okay, being attached with that.
Okay.
This is the diagram. For example, this diagram I can draw here. So in this context, I mean, thread A is utilizing resource one. This is the resource one, it
Mm-hmm.
is handled by thread A. And this person, whoever is going to handle this resource, he wants to have some information. Okay. He's using,
Okay.
he's using internet facility on the system. And soon after using that system, at some point of time, he has to take printouts. Okay,
Right.
this guy has to take printouts, and he won't release this system till the other system is relinquished. Okay, got it. So
Yeah.
A is not going to quit his system until
Mm.
until he acquires B, simply. Okay, until
Okay.
he acquires B, he couldn't relinquish A, the resource, I mean the system. Okay,
Okay.
so that is the thing. This is simple system. He's using internet connection in that. Wait, yeah. And this is the system where printer is attached to that. There I was able to type, here I couldn't type, it seems. Wait, printer, and this is internet. Okay, fine. And B is also having a similar intention that once his printouts are over, or 100 or 50, whatever printouts he's taking, once that job is over, print job is over, at some point of time, he want to handle the other system where internet connection is there.
Right.
But he just doesn't wish to relinquish his own system unless and until he acquire the other system. Now what is going to happen? A is never going to use the other system, and similarly B is also never going to
Yeah.
use the other system in turn. That is also a deadlock scenario. Yes, is it not?
Okay. Yes.
Now
Yeah.
what is the solution for all these kind of deadlocks? An important interview question it is. What is the solution for deadlock? Frankly speaking, you have to answer in this way, like there is no solution for deadlock. Just like some
Okay.
diseases are there is no solution for them. Prevention is better than cure, is it not?
Right.
So here also there is no specific solution to prevent deadlock of threads, to prevent the deadlock of
Okay.
threads. Okay, the programmer has to design the logic in such a way not to get into deadlock, isn't it?
Okay.
For
Yeah.
instance, see, uh, both the first example which I told, couple of Innova vehicles coming in a narrow lane. In the beginning
Right.
itself, if both are cautious, or at least one of those fellows are cautious, deadlock is not going to happen, is it not?
Right.
Both are
Yeah.
heroes. That's why deadlock happened. That's it, simply.
Yes.
When both are heroes, obviously things will happen, is it not? They will fight for that.
Yeah.
They are having ego problem. There is no solution for that. That's it. If one of them can design his solution in a proper way, design his logic in a proper way, then that is the solution for deadlock.
Okay.
Just like prevention is better than cure. So
Yeah.
you have to answer that. So just answer like this. There is no specific solution for deadlock, to prevent deadlock.
Deadlock.
The only solution
Okay.
is to carefully design such applications. Okay. So now I will
Okay.
design one application. Again, a failure application first, then we will design a proper application
Okay.
for this also. Yes, deadlock of threads. Very simple program. Actually, I got this program from some internet facility somewhere around
Okay.
16 years. I got 16 years back. I got this.
Okay.
When I was searching, I got some example. So many examples I have seen, but I got attracted with this example, this particular example.
Okay.
Test thread. Let me name that as test thread, and this is the main method in that. See, same thing, whichever I have explained here. These are a couple of objects I can tell, like this is object one. Internet is object
Okay.
one here. It is object one. On the other hand, this printer is object two here. Object two. Fine. This is object two, and this is object one. Fine. And this is thread one. This is thread one, and this is thread two.
Okay.
That's it. Same thing. Let me design an application using this concept only.
Okay.
You are going to find two objects and a
Right.
couple of threads. Here also same thing. You can see two objects are there, two threads are there as well. One thread,
Yeah.
I mean thread one or A is utilizing I, or T1 is
Yes.
utilizing O1, T1 is utilizing O1, and T2 is utilizing O2, and
Right.
T2 wants to acquire O1 at some point of time. Till
Okay.
then, till then it won't relinquish O2. A
Hmm.
similar way, T1 wants to get hold of O2 at some point of time, but nevertheless it doesn't want to relinquish its own resource. If it gets
Okay.
the other one, it is in a position to relinquish that. Same scenario
Hmm.
with T2 as well. So
Okay.
means locked, totally locked, deadlock.
Yes.
Wait. This is a perfect example for deadlock, and removal also I will design.
Hmm.
Removing that is, and even this is a, yesterday we have seen a very big application with so many complexities, but it
Yeah.
is not the, it is not a tough one, but this is the real tough one. Very little
Okay.
program, lot of intricacies are there. You have to carefully understand.
Sure. Okay.
Thread demo 1. Okay. Thread demo 1. T1 is equal to thread demo 1. Fine. Done.
So test thread.
Mm-hmm.
We've created object for thread demo one.
Mm-hmm. Thread demo 1, thread demo 2. I will create those classes. Wait. It's not completed.
Okay.
I will
Okay.
create
Yeah.
those classes.
Okay. Okay.
Another way I'm doing. I
Sure.
introduced main method earlier before introduction of the
Yeah.
other classes. In fact,
Okay. Okay.
yes, extends thread. Sorry, extends thread. Very tricky program. This one.
Okay.
Synchronized. That is object class predefined. This one I will discuss about that.
Okay.
I told at some
Sure.
point of time now, super class. The
Yeah.
super class in Java is object class.
Object.
That one
Yes.
I use it. That one I use it here. because I want to use sleep method inside that. That's why I'm
Okay.
going with the
Try
try
block.
block exactly. Run. Extra brace is there, I think, na? Whenever I hit a try, it came, huh? Okay, we'll check. Mhm. Yes, done. Now catch. Is it correct till now? Mm, I have to close previous class also, na? Somewhere. Class I started, but main method I started here. Okay, main method I started, but I closed only main method. I did not close that class. Is it not?
Yeah.
I have to close that class pretty much. Oh, oh. Mm, why it is showing like that? I opened the
At the top, public static object, both are lock one only.
no. The other one is lock two. Lock two.
Okay.
That is lock two. Yeah, two closings should be there or one closing. Two closings now. One for this, one for that. Two closings are there. Okay, fine. Yes, that's okay. And then here we are thread dot sleep and then followed with catch block. Interrupted exception. Nothing is there. No code I am writing. You can put like this also. Okay. There is no
Okay.
code. I am not interested to write any code in
Hmm.
that. Thread one. Once you come out of that, thread one is going to wait. Thread one colon waiting for lock two. That's it. Now, synchronize. Lock two. 1, 2, 3, 4 openings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Right. Same code for the other one also. I will copy and paste with little changes. This is for thread demo 2.
Okay.
Inside that, run is there. Okay. Synchronize it. Here I have to change lock 2. Lock 2. And then this is thread 2 now. Yes. Thread 2. Holding lock 2. It is.
Lock two.
Currently holding lock 2. And then, 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2 as usual. Catch, inside catch. Mm, thread 2 I have to write here. Waiting for lock 1. Yes, waiting for lock 1. And then thread 2 here also. Thread 2. Waiting for, holding for, yeah, holding lock 1 and 2. But two mistakes it is showing. I have to check those two mistakes. What are they? Illegal modifier for the thread demo 2. Only public abstract and the final are permitted. Mhm. Lock 2 cannot be resolved a variable. Lock 2 capital only I have taken. Lock 1, lock 2, yeah. What happened to this? Mistakes are there since. Mhm. It is not visible. Private it is not accepting. First class how I have taken. Public only. Public I have taken. Private static class. If I go with public, let me check. Is it removed? No, that is not the issue. New object, first one, okay. Why it is showing mistake here? Thread demo 1, thread demo 2. Both I have taken now. Thread demo 1 is not visible. The constructor thread demo 1 is not visible. Okay. Thread demo 1. Wait. Who missed in that? Main thread demo 1, main thread demo 2. Okay. T1 dot start, T2 dot start. Then control transfer state. Synchronized lock 1 I have given. Try given, catch given. Synchronized lock 1 given. Then what else it wants? Thread demo 1, the other one is thread demo 2.
Yes.
I have given correctly only. Here it is showing mistake. It is not. It is tracing here. Thread demo 1, any other program? No, there is no other program. Test thread is that. Test thread is there. Thread demo 1 is there. Thread demo 1. Correctly I have written na? Thread demo 1.
Mm.
Thread demo 1. Thread demo 1. Thread demo 2. Yeah. What is the problem with that? The constructor thread demo 1 is not visible. Thread demo 1 constructor is there. Okay, okay. I forgot giving constructor here it seems. Oh my god. Thread demo 1. Now is it okay for that? Even now it is showing. Uh-huh. Now it is okay for it. Mm. No, somewhere I went wrong other than that. Thread demo 1 constructor is, it is showing I have not taken any constructor here. I don't want to take directly. I want to go with that.
Mm.
Public void run I have given, catch I have given. Why it is showing? public class test thread. Okay, public static object lock1. Lock1 I have taken. Lock2, public static object lock1. Lock1, yeah, object is predefined class. Object is predefined, that is correct. Lock1, lock2, yeah, two objects I have created, and then inside the main method I created objects. Okay, no problem in that actually. Why it is showing here? The constructor thread demo1 is not visible. T1 dot start, T2 dot start. Oh, how do you like this? It is going. All the problems gone, but here it is showing.
Yeah.
I have to close couple of times, isn't it? One for main method, one for class. I have to close now.
Yeah.
If I go with only single closing, it is showing okay. How it is?
And at the bottom, it is showing extra
Yeah,
closing.
yeah, extra it is showing, of course. I have seen that. Thread demo T1. Okay. Mm, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god.
Okay.
Yes. Gone now? Now?
Yeah.
No, totally gone. Totally gone. Wrong program to type this much time it is taking. Huh? Correct program, you can
Mm.
you can guess how difficult it is to.
Yeah.
Yes, but here why it is gone like that? Wait. Tested thread is it? If I close the class inside class I have to take. Yeah, yes, class inside class concept here gone with class inside class. Then it is accepting.
Mm.
That's why. Accidentally I removed that. It is working fine. Okay, let me check once. Check once. Yes, it is working. Working, but see, first see the output, then we will discuss about the application. First have a look at the output. Thread 1, it is holding lock 1,
Lock one. Yeah.
means object 1. Object 1 totally under the control of thread 1,
Yes.
and thread 2 holding lock 2. Hmm? Yes,
Yes.
object 2 is under the control of thread 2, and thread 2 is waiting. Hmm? And thread 2
Yeah.
holding lock 1 and lock 2. Thread 1 is waiting. Thread 1 is holding lock 1 and lock 2. Both are in waiting, as a matter of fact.
Yes.
It wants to hold the other one, but it is unable to hold. But it should not display holding lock 1 and 2, I think. Wait. It should not display the other one. The other one it is displaying. Waiting only it has to say. Why it is showing holding lock
Okay.
1 and 2? It means I solved this program. No, I should not solve. I should create a problem here. You understood, na? Waiting should
Yeah.
happen. Holding should not come true. But it came true. How to restrict that? How to restrict the holding that? Some braces problem is there. Somewhere braces problem. It will irritate us. Braces.
Yeah.
Properly, I have not kept those braces. That's where I went wrong. A class inside class. Okay, I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 closings. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 closings is correct.
Yes.
If I take inner class, it is correct, na? 5 closings.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Class inside, class inside, class. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4 should be there, na? At the top. Not there. Here 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 only, yes. But somewhere, wait. Inside this class only, somewhere I went wrong. During holding should not come. Holding at this
Okay.
place I went wrong somewhere. I have to check. synchronized lock 1. Okay. Synchronized, this is thread demo 1 na? Thread demo 2, okay, fine. Lock 2, synchronized lock 2, and lock 2 is synchronized, and we are displaying holding lock 1 and 2, okay, fine, and it is closed. This is lock 2 is synchronized, and lock 1 is released. Lock 1 we got inside. Then why it is showing both statements? Wait. Public void run. Just a second.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear.
Yes, sir.
Somewhere I went wrong in this program. Public void run. Okay, let me check one more time. Synchronized lock 1, and then thread 1 holding lock 1. Okay, and then try block is there. Inside that thread dot sleep I have given. Okay, and then closed. Okay, and then catch block I started. Nothing I have given. After that, yeah, thread 1 waiting for. Okay, thread 1. Wait. Here what I have to give? This is thread demo 1 na? Thread demo 1 we are. It is already in lock. It is not waiting for lock 1. It is waiting for lock 2, no? Yes, here lock 2. That is okay. Whatever I give, it will come. Lock 2, of course, it is waiting for lock 2. That is correct. Synchronized lock 2, and thread 1. And what about thread 1? Thread 1 is going to hold. Waiting for lock 2, and then synchronized block. Lock 2. Yeah, perfect. And then inside that thread 1 holding lock 1 and 2. Okay, fine. Then all those braces I closed. 1 2 3 4. Done. That is correct only. Next, private static class thread demo 2 extends thread void run synchronized lock 2, right? Thread 2 holding lock 2. Thread 2 is holding lock 2. Yeah, correct. And try thread sleep. Okay, interpret exception. Thread 2 is waiting for lock 1. This is correct only. Thread 2 waiting for lock 1. Correct only. Synchronized lock. Here the problem is. Here the problem is. It is lock 1. That's where
Yeah.
I am getting wrong. Lock 1. Opposite I have to write. Thread 2 holding lock 1 and 2. Now this is. I wrote a solution program, I think. But again, if I try for solution program, again I may get problems. Let me check. Now, yes, got it. Now see the answer.
Yeah.
Very clear. Thread 2 is holding object 2. Thread 1
Yeah.
is holding object 1. As per this diagram, see, is it a perfect match or not? Yes. O1 is under the control of T1, and O2 is under the control of T2.
T2,
Is it
yes.
not? Yeah. And T1 is going to wait for lock 2. T1. Is it not? And T2 is
Yes.
waiting for lock 1. Perfect. So how it is executed? See, let us examine this code now. This is the right time to go with this code. So as usual, starts from main method. Inside main method, what is given? An object is created for. Before creating those objects itself, something happened here. That is two objects, super class objects I have created. Very simple, nothing great. It is beyond our concepts which we have done till now. Okay, a special concept like I went with super class. Okay, that is the biggest class in Java. That is object class. I told na, God
Yes.
class. Yes. So object. So lock 1 is the object, first object I have created for object class. Okay, and lock 2 is the object for another is lock 2 is at another object for object class. Both are objects for object class only. Okay.
Okay.
Both are human beings. One is lock 1, the other one is lock 2. Simply. Okay. Of course, both are objects. Here objects. Na? Both are laptops, for example. Both are laptops. Both are objects. And these are human beings like T1 and T2. So thread demo 1, T1. Thread demo, actually not human beings. It is a thread, a subprogram, subprocess. It wants to, because whenever we are connected to system, we are clicking here and there. Na? We are clicking print for print to get a printout. We are clicking print na, to get a printout.
Yeah.
So a subprogram is running internally. In a similar way, whenever we want to use internet, we are going for Google, and we are using that search engine. We are typing something, and we are accessing some data. So some subprocesses are running inside. So here also thread demo 1 T1, thread demo 2 T2. Two threads I have
Okay.
created and started. T1 dot start, T2 dot start. T1 dot start means which one is executed here.
Thread
T1
demo
dot
one.
start. T1 dot start. Wait. T1 is an object for thread demo 1. Yeah, this one.
Yes.
This run will get executed. So inside that, what is there? Locked. Lock 1.
Yeah.
It will enter inside that. Soon after that, it is locked. Okay.
Yes.
T1, T1 soon after crossing the monitor level, it is locked totally. So you are
Yeah.
going to get one display message like thread 1 holding lock 1. Got it now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then taking rest for a while. 10
Yes.
milliseconds or 10 nanoseconds, you can consider nano or
Hmm.
nanoseconds also we can use. 10 milliseconds, let us assume. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
then what happened? Of course, that's it. That is the code. And then once you come out, you are waiting. Once your job is done, you are waiting for the lock 2, for lock 2,
Yes.
isn't it? And you keep on
Yeah.
waiting for that. You keep on waiting because the other one is not releasing anyways, and you are not releasing
Yeah.
this one, the other one is not releasing that one. So let us assume about the, let us think about the other one also. T2 dot start, control transfers to where? T2 dot start,
Yeah.
here. Yes, you got hold of lock 2, right?
Yes.
And then waiting for lock 1, and it is never getting released there, isn't it? So
Hmm.
this fellow can't use that, and that fellow can't use this, is it not?
Right.
So
Yes.
this cannot get hold of that, that cannot, neither both of them are getting hold of the other ones. That's it.
Yeah.
So that is a deadlock natural scenario. So how to come out of that,
Okay.
we will design. Very tricky,
Sure.
na? Very tricky this one.
Yeah.
See, couple of objects. This is new concept. This is totally new. Super class object, super object we have created, and for that couple of objects we have created by name lock 1 and lock 2. So object
Hmm.
is a super class, okay, fine, but this O is capital letter, that is class.
Yes.
Class, na? See, the
Yeah.
code may be something like this. I will tell you. I tell you. Wait. Yeah. Class. Got it?
Yeah.
That is the story. That is the story for that. Some code is there internally. We don't bother about that code. It is a super class. We need not design that. Is it not?
Right.
And our job is to create object for that. That's what I have done, like object space lock 1.
Yeah.
Is it not? That's what I have done.
Yes.
Very simple. New lock 1. That's it. That's what I have done. Similarly, for another object also I have created. So this is a super class object we have created. I mean, we are dealing with super class.
Yes.
And for that super class object is object class. So
Okay.
for object class, we have created an object here. And always we should go with static. If I remove static, what will happen? Let me check this. Actually I carried this code. Actually, I never tried without a static. Let me try. Maybe we have to use static for this. Oh, here. Let me check that also whether it works or not. I don't know why they have coded like that. Maybe super class
Hmm.
always static. We might have to go. I never checked that actually. Wait. It won't work. It won't work because it should be static. It should be super class. Whenever you create object for super class, it should be always
Hmm.
public and static. Maybe
Okay.
we can Google it out later on. But
Sure.
I may feel like that. It should be always public and static. Whenever you go with the super class, this is super class now. Object is the
Yeah.
super class in. This is the super class in Java. Object is a super class in Java. I told earlier,
Yes.
na. So for all our classes, that is the super class. Object class is the super class. And for superclass, I have created a couple of objects here, isn't it?
Okay.
Yes, that's what
Yes.
I have done. I believe that superclass should be always public static.
Okay.
Okay. Now here, yeah, understood now? T1,
Yes.
very simple, we understood. But now how to resolve this? That is going to be a trick. Let me
Hmm.
let me copy this code, go with another program. This time I will go with solution. Let me create like test thread solution. I will give test thread, test thread solution. Okay, solution for the previous program simply.
Yeah.
This is not required anyways. I will copy and paste only. And here the class which we designed is a test thread solution. Na? Test
Yes.
thread solution I added. That's it. And remaining where to change, let us see. Lock 1, lock 2 as usual. No worry. No worries here up to here. Let us not touch main method and main class. And let us get back to the other two classes, subclasses. Thread demo 1. Thread demo 1 extends thread. Okay, fine. Here it has taken lock 1. Okay. And then here lock 1. Okay, lock 1. Okay. Wait. Here. Lock 2. Synchronized lock 2. Okay. This is correct. Some changes I have to make here. Lock 1. Lock 1 is okay. Holding lock 1, that is okay. Naturally, let me see, that is lock 2. Okay, fine. And here it has to I will do one thing. I will change the second part of the code. Otherwise, second part, how can I change? Yeah, this one. Very simple change. Both are holding one object. Na? See,
Yes.
for example, see, both of us want systems. You captured one system, I captured one system. We are never releasing
Right.
systems. So that is
Yeah.
a deadlock which we have seen in the past. But if you are able to catch both the systems, then where am I? Is it not?
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
Got the technique. So
Yeah.
you got that
Yes.
system and you also got this system as well. Then where am I? I am outside totally. That's it.
Right.
Done. Yeah. Then what to do? I think it is enough. It will do. I think any changes required. And here, you are over the control of lock 1 here, but lock 2 is also synchronized. Lock 2 is also synchronized, and you are waiting for lock 1. Wait. Holding lock 1. You are holding lock 1, na? Wait.
Hmm.
This I have to change, na? You are holding lock 1 also. Is it not? You are holding both the locks and
Yeah.
you are waiting for lock 2, and you need not wait because it is in your control only. Totally.
Yes.
Not. And then about synchronized portion, what can I write? Synchronized portion, what can I write? Holding lock 1. There is no chance
Okay.
for here. In this context, you are holding lock 1. There is no lock 2 na in this context.
Yeah.
You are, oh no. This code will not get executed anyways because you are under the control of both. So holding lock 1 and 2 will not get executed, and you are waiting for lock 2 will also be not executed. Wait. Yeah. Anyways, it is not showing any mistake. Let me trial and error one time. If any problem is there, I will change again those locking
Okay.
arrangements. Let's check. Let's hope. See, holding lock 1, thread 2, holding lock 1,
Right.
waiting for lock 2. Thread 2 holding lock 1, waiting for lock 2, and thread 2 holding both, and afterwards thread 1
Yeah.
holding lock 1, waiting for lock 2, holding both. Yeah, both used properly.
Yeah.
Both the threads are utilizing objects. See how it is designed in the sense. Let us see. Let us start from here. Got na? So see, thread
Yeah.
2 is holding lock 1 and thread 2 is waiting for lock 2, and nobody held lock 2 till then. That's why
Right.
it is able to hold both. Got it?
Yeah.
And then when it left both, then thread 1 is coming into picture holding lock 1, and he is waiting for but need not wait. Immediately he is holding both. That's it. That's
Yeah.
it. Both simultaneously are not holding. That is the thing here. I told na, both
Okay.
vehicles are not simultaneously coming.
Right.
They are not coming in perfect opposite direction. One is waiting. One has taken a pause. Okay.
Okay.
Now see here. T1 dot start. We can go get into T1. This one. Yes, you can run this code. Lock 1. So thread 1. So let us start T2 first, because our output gone like this now. If I run again, how it comes? Let me check. Maybe next time thread 1 may come first. Let me check. Yeah, got it now.
Yeah.
Previously, it is reversed. This time, thread 1 got first. Huh? So
Yes.
let us assume as usual, T1 holding, just side by side compare the
Yeah.
output as well. Just have a look at the output as well simultaneously when I am explaining. So T1 is holding lock 1, right?
Right.
Right. Next, next. Waiting for lock 2. Yes. Yes. It waited for
Hmm.
lock 2. Then immediately holding, because see, lock 2, synchronized lock 2. But lock 2 is also under the control of this guy only. Is it not?
Yeah.
Lock 1, here both the cases I have given lock 1 only. Lock 1 is utilized. So lock 2. Nobody caught lock
Right.
2. So holding both lock 1 and 2. This also got executed. And then comes T2. So the time T2 comes, it is released now. T2 comes, it is
Yeah.
released. It is getting hold of lock 1. Yes, here it is, lock 1. Have a close look here. Again, I will repeat. So T2 is holding
Sure.
lock 1. Before that, who held lock 1? See here, lock 1 held by
Yeah.
T1. T1
Right.
held lock 1. Means there is no chance. Immediately it is locked now. When T1 got hold
Yes.
of lock 1, immediately it is hold now.
Yeah.
Immediately it is locked now. So the T2
Yes.
cannot enter. T2 cannot enter. Lock 1 is under the control of both the cases. Lock 1, lock 1, lock 1.
Right.
Only one object is there. Means there is no chance for T2 to get inside.
Yeah.
Is it not? Then T2 is in waiting. Okay, fine. So T1, let T1 complete the entire task. Means let it hold lock 1, let it wait for lock 2, and let it immediately hold lock 1 and 2. Because lock 2 is, nobody has taken lock 2. Because
Right.
see here in the other part of the code also, lock 1 I have written. There is no chance for lock 2 to be utilized by somebody. Is it not?
Yes.
Just something like you started first, and you have taken, you entered into lock 1. Okay, this one.
Okay.
And at the same time I was waiting, I am not interested for a while. Okay.
Okay.
So lock 1, see, lock 1 is, because I cannot enter inside, because lock 1 is there. T2 dot means I cannot get, lock 1 is under the control of you. I cannot get inside. Is it not? Here
Yeah.
it is locked, na? Lock 1 is locked or not? Tell me. This is locked or not? By
Yes.
T1.
It is.
Yeah. So you only entered. Here also lock 1. Lock 1 is already under the control of T1. So T2 cannot
Yes.
enter. T2 cannot enter. It has to wait. That's it. So let T1 finish the process. Okay.
Hmm.
So T1 waited and it got hold of both, because lock 2 it can acquire na. In the previous context,
Yes.
lock 2 is held by T2.
Right.
But lock 2 is free now.
Yeah.
Lock 2 is free. Fairly free it is. So T1 can get enter and execute this part of the code. Isn't it?
Right.
Then comes into picture T2. Now T2 job. Now lock 1 is released na. See, when T1 is using lock 2, what is the status of lock 1? It is released na here, lock 1 is released
Yes.
na. So T2 will come
Yeah.
and hold lock 1, and it will hold lock 1 and wait for lock 2. At some point of time, that guy will give way na, holding both and
Yeah.
releasing. Yeah, then you can, then the T2 can get hold of lock 2 also. That's it. That's it. Done.
Okay.
So some trick we have to apply. Somebody has
Yeah.
done this program actually. I somehow liked this program. Very difficult to
Okay.
design. That's why.
Yeah.
Understood? So that is what is
Yes.
deadlock.
Okay.
Really testing time, deadlock, and the yesterday's
Yeah.
application. It is the, I believe that till now, whichever program I explained, you understood, except these two, there may be little confusions here and there.
Yes.
Some
Little
some
confusion.
some invisible things are there. Is it not?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sure.
I've actually taken off tomorrow and on Monday just to practice these
Okay,
codes.
okay. But I'm
Yeah.
not sending notes right now. I may send
Yeah.
you once I complete. Maybe tomorrow evening I may send you.
Okay.
Tomorrow you want to do these programs. You don't want to have class tomorrow.
No, I have off, so I'll practice in the
Ha, 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 ha,
morning.
ha. Class as
Yeah.
usual I can have.
Yes. Yes. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine, fine, fine,
Yeah.
fine. Okay. And then thread group is there. Before going that, let me ask a question. Sleep and weight, what is the difference between, yesterday I told na, tomorrow I'm going to ask again. Sleep and weight.
Yeah.
Let's come back to sleep and weight methods. Sleep and weight, what is the difference? I will ask you in interview. What is the
Okay.
difference between sleep and weight methods? Sleep versus weight, what is the difference? What kind of difference can you guess? Hmm? Sleep and
Uh,
weight.
s- Sleep, irrespective of other thread, it will
So
just take
actually,
rest and
actually,
go.
I told both are waiting only. Sleep also waiting only.
Yes.
But here,
Yeah.
sleep means it is a long sleep. Is it not?
Hmm.
But
Yes.
wait means somebody is going to knock the door.
Yeah.
Notify,
Yeah.
notify, notify is coming into picture now.
Yes.
Notify is coming to knock the door. Then no more waiting. You are picking the
Right.
object. Yes, that is the difference. So both these methods will make the thread to wait only. You had to answer like
Okay.
this. Both these
Yeah.
methods, sleep and wait, okay, will make the thread to wait for some
Wait.
milliseconds or nanoseconds, whatever it is. Milli or nano, you
Okay.
can mention. Milli is better. Generally, we express in milliseconds, okay? And then
Yeah.
after the thread is going to wake up and resumes
Hmm.
execution. After that, thread is going to wake up and resume execution. After
Yeah.
sleeping for a while, after waiting for a while, we don't know. Sleep is unpredictable. We don't know how long it is going to sleep.
Yeah.
Okay. Of course, we are mentioning time in milliseconds. Yeah.
Yes.
You can give time in milliseconds, na?
Yeah.
Like this, or somewhere like this also. Huh? So
Okay.
it's a parameterized method, but unlike sleep method, in wait method there is no time being process.
Right.
There is no time bound process. The thing is that it is going to wait for notification. Is it not?
Yes.
Till notify method is executed. Notify or notify all, whatever it may be. Because if multiple threads are there, notify all. A capital letter, notify all. Okay, that's why I told na, notify
Yeah.
all.
Yes.
Yes, till notify method is invoked, wait will be waiting. That's it.
Yes.
It may be a long wait or short wait. We can't guess in milliseconds. Just as sleep. Sleep is a time bound sleep. We can mention, we can
Right.
restrict that. That's it. In that way, you can talk. Okay.
Sure.
That's
Yeah.
it. That's it. Nothing more than that. And then another interview question. What is the difference between notify and notify all?
Yeah.
Notify works
Notify
for
is for single.
single thread. Perfect. And notify all
Yeah.
works for multiple threads. That's it.
Multiple
That's
threads.
it. Nothing
Yeah.
more than that. And then thread group is there actually. Thread group. Let me
Okay.
do one application on thread groups right away.
Okay.
Every thread is part of a group. I told earlier, na?
Hmm.
Let me do one simple application on thread group. Once thread group is over, then I will discuss about that life cycle of a thread also.
Okay.
We are coming close enough. This is the biggest concept, I think, till now, whichever I explained.
Yes, yes, it is.
Even
Yeah.
exception, it crossed exception handling also, inner class also, is it not?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
exactly.
Inner class was big, but it was very simple
Simple.
comparing to this.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That bank application we have done easily.
Yes.
Yeah. But threads is really astonishing, I think.
Yeah.
Uh, Wait. And before that, let me explain some theory. Okay, fine. I will write a program and then explain parallelly. Thread group demo I will go with. And let me add main method in that. In the program itself, whenever required, I will explain theory. Otherwise,
Sure.
but in interview, we can easily face. They will ask interview questions only. They won't ask any program.
Yeah.
Programs are bit tough in
Mm.
threads. Designing them is a bit tough. Sorry, thread group. Group. I will create few more. T2 this time, and this is thread 2, this one. And one more I want to create, T3. Yesterday, one parent came, sir, from Chennai, I think.
Okay.
From
Okay.
Chennai, he's an employee in Mumbai. Actually, he's native of Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and his son is
Okay.
studying seventh standard.
Okay.
Some week back, he tried to call me, but couldn't get connected with me.
Okay.
And yesterday, he is serious about his son's studies in Python.
Okay.
Actually, he yesterday
Seventh
I have
standard.
from past 3 4 days he's trying for demo, and yesterday I have given a small demo, half an hour,
Okay.
as a business advertising purpose. I sent these videos, whatever I had,
Okay.
good quality videos, and
Hmm.
that's where he got struck. I think he's looking for a quality faculty, and yesterday first he introduced himself, and then he introduced his son, and he asked his son to show
Okay.
some applications which he has done, gaming
Oh,
applications in
wow.
Python, gaming applications in Python.
Uh,
He's wearing spectacles and very small boy, just like my son. But see the knowledge at this time. See,
yeah.
when I started explaining some coding,
Mm-hmm.
I thought of answering some question. I generally for engineering students also at times you might have noticed one point. I question myself and I answer myself at times,
Yeah.
so many times. In that way, I'm about to question and about to answer. Before that, he questioned me. So
Okay.
what is the advantage of this? Something I did not remember properly.
Okay.
Very apt question. At that age, see the maturity.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe seventh class or eighth class. Maybe he crossed seventh
Hmm.
standard. He in Mumbai. He's in Tamilian.
Okay. Hmm.
Tamilians. They are very intelligent, these guys.
Yeah.
We generally
Yeah.
notice in newspapers, seventh class kid, fifth class kid has done wonders.
Yes.
But really, I couldn't find time to speak with my son. I have to tell all these things. Yeah,
Hmm.
he has shown a couple of games. He created a couple of modules. You know, modules are there now in Python.
Yeah.
So modules
Yeah.
consist of some predefined functions and all these things. You know,
Yes.
so of course, a lengthy code he has written. Same step like this. See, when
Hmm.
I am doing repetitively this step, then I got remembered that same like
Hmm.
this. He repeated so many lines, and he has created a small turtle like a game. I don't know how he has done
Okay.
that, but that is okay. Different. He can copy paste also code. That is not the issue. I
Yeah.
understand. But other than that, whenever he is questioning, I can see the intention in. Even I'm explaining. See immediately. This question he asked, sir, what is the difference? I told that Python can serve you as both programming language as well as scripting language also. Okay.
Yeah.
Immediately he
Okay.
questioned what is the difference between programming language and scripting language.
Sure.
I told to you also the same answer quick.
Yeah.
What is the difference
Yes.
between programming language and scripting language? What is the answer for
Hmm.
that? I told na implicit those things.
Yes.
Immediately I told that concept. He understood that what is implicit,
Sure.
what is implicit declaration of variables, and what is explicit declaration of variables. He understood that at that age. That is the see.
Yeah.
In the coming days, we don't know how it is. Programming world is going to be
Yeah, I know.
seventh, eighth standard. Maybe his father is very happy with that. Honestly,
Yeah.
it's God's gift, na. It's
Yes, sir, it is.
certainly God's gift. Gifted. His father is like any other father. Normal. He is looking normally only. He's talking good in English, but
Okay.
normal.
Hmm.
New thread group. New thread group. I want to name that. In fact, yes, subgroup two. I want to name that as subgroup two. Yes, right. I'm not telling this to any other engineering student. They will get demoralized if I tell this.
I know, yeah.
I'm only telling to you only. Even not telling to Singapore guy as well. They will get
Okay.
demoralized. If I tell to
Yeah.
anybody this thing, they will leave my computer course also. It is not for us.
Yeah.
Sure.
Especially when their understanding level is so
Yeah, yeah.
feeble. Yeah.
24. Okay, fine. Wait. What I have done till now? One group I have created. You can see here, thread group.
Yes.
Thread group is the class which I have, an object I have created for thread group, and I named that as subgroup one. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then, better I go with a little theory before, then you can understand.
Is this a
Just a minute, just a minute,
predefined
just a
one?
minute, just a minute.
Okay.
That's why I just want to
Yeah.
explain a little bit about that. Then I will go into the application. First of all, what is a thread group? Wait. What is a thread group? What is a thread group? So it represents a group of threads. Represents
Yes.
a group of threads. A bunch of threads, a group of threads, a collection of threads. Okay.
Okay.
Now, how to create a thread group? That's what I have to discuss actually. How to create a
Okay.
thread group. Yes. See, this is the way to create. how to create a thread group. Thread group is a predefined class. That is your doubt now?
Yes.
TZ is equal to new thread group, and there is a parameterizer constructor inside thread group. You can understand.
Yeah.
Means how to invoke a parameterized, and moreover it is a string type of parameter is there. So I can give some name, yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Understood?
Yeah.
So why I'm
Yes.
giving name? Because I'm telling you that there is a parameterizer constructor in thread group class.
Yes.
Thread group is a predefined class, and inside that thread group class there is a parameterizer constructor by name thread group. So how to invoke that? Just by creating object and passing the argument. That's what I have done. That's what I have done. Now my question: how to add a thread to thread group? That is a question, right? To
Yeah.
add what? A thread to what? To this group. Otherwise, the group which just now I have created now, to this group. What is the group? Object is TZ. Yes or no? So how to do
Yes.
that? How? See. Wait. TZ. Wait. To add a thread to this group, TZ I have yeah. New thread within bracket. See what I'm writing. TZ dot target object comma, here within double quotes thread name you can write. Thread name. That is the way to add another one, to add another thread group to this group. Let us see another thing. To add another thread group to this group. What is the group? TZ na? TZ.
Yes.
To add another thread group to this group. Already one group is there. To add another thread group.
Right.
For that, see. Thread group. You are not adding thread. Thread is done here. This is thread to group. This one up to here. To add,
Yes.
I'm very clear with comment also. See, if you can read that comment, to add a thread to group. First, I have created thread group object. Fine. Right. And what I have done, I attached thread to thread group. That's it.
Right.
Now, another thread group I want to attach to this group.
Okay.
Right? That's it.
Yeah.
Thread group TZ1 is equal to new within bracket TZ comma group name.
Okay.
That's it. TZ comma group name. That's it. Done. So these are the things which I am going to code. Using those things I am coding here. So till now what I have done, a thread group is created. And what is the group name? Subgroup
TG.
1. Subgroup 1.
Yeah, subgroup.
Subgroup 1 is the name. That is object.
Object,
group
yes.
Name. Group name is subgroup 1. So a parameterized constructor will be invoked. And what is the job of that parameterized constructor? Forming a name to that thread group. Whichever programmer is going to provide that name will be from here onwards. That is going to be the name of the thread group. Fine.
Okay.
Now, a couple of threads I have created every time. Thread 1 I am going to attach to. Can I write this comment here? Otherwise, wait. This one I am talking about. First step is this. I will put comment. You can understand in the coding itself. That is better option. Yes. This is the first job which I have done. Okay. Now comes the second job. Second job is second comment. Yes, this one. Yes. that is a job. Now, okay. Now,
Yes.
next job. Where is that? TZ. TZ is equal to new thread group, subgroup 2. Yeah. Yes. Third comment. A bit different way I am doing this.
Yeah.
No name, but directly I am attaching, na? Something like that. You can assume. Yeah.
Okay.
Got it? TZ
Yes.
is equal to, you are attaching what? Subgroup 2. Another one.
Okay.
Is object now.
Yes.
That is tied with, that is referred by TG from here onwards. I
Okay.
mean, TZ is to add another group. Okay, fine. TZ is equal to this one from here onwards. Now
Yeah.
T4 I have created. T4 I have created na my thread. Okay, fine. T4 I am attaching TZ to that also.
Right.
So the TG object is attached to all other subgroups. Now what I want to do is TZ is equal to, I want to see the names and all these things. Thread dot current thread. What is the current thread running? Current thread dot get thread group. Thread group. Which thread group you are in? It will get you thread group. Yes. Now if I can use, wait, if I can use int arg or agc, you take any variable name, no issue. Agc is equal to tz dot active group count. There is one method called as active group count. Active group count. How many groups are there? It is going to count that and give inside
Okay.
AGC that can be displayed later on. That's it. And then now let us display. I'm talking about display here. So active thread groups in, I will display a message to let you understand. Active thread groups in tz.getName, tz.getName plus again double quotes thread group. I want to see THREAD thread group colon concatenation AGC. The number I want to see AGC.
Yeah.
AGC. Then there is one method called as list. It will list all the things. Wait.
Okay.
I have to write in next line. Wait. tz.list. Done. Program is over. Wait. Let me run and execute, and then you can understand this. Mistake is there. Yeah. See what is the first output? Active thread groups in main thread. Active thread groups where I have given. Here it is. Active thread groups in. I have to give some space here. Wait. Better I give some space here and there. That is good.
Yeah.
So active thread groups in main thread.
Main
tz
thread.
dot get name. Tz dot get name means we are inside main method now.
Yes. Yeah.
So get name means main only you will get main thread group.
Right.
Colon 2. How many groups are there? It has calculated
2 groups.
2 groups because
Yeah.
using this thread group method I have calculated.
Okay.
And now list. List means it is displaying. See, it is displaying all these things like main 5 main. You know this pretty well.
Yes. Yes.
And then name is subgroup, max priority 10.
Okay.
Yes. The other one is also having max priority. It is displaying as per the pre-designed one. Now it will display
Yeah.
like that. tz.list means it is going to display all the features of that like this. This is due to that last statement. Okay.
Okay.
So like that, you can create a group and you can attach some threads to that. Like this, you can do nothing more than that.
Okay.
Let me charge my laptop, and I will go with the life cycle of a thread.
Sure.
This is the last concept. And before
Okay.
that, one more thing is there called as a daemon thread. Daemon thread.
Okay.
Daemon threads are nothing but service providers to other threads or objects. They are service providers. Means something like, say,
Okay.
we put dish or something like that na, on the top of the
Mhm.
apartment, like dish or
Yes. Yes.
Tata Sky or something like that.
Yeah.
So what is the meaning of that? So it is going to receive the signals. It is going to help us directly. We cannot get that.
Yes.
So in a similar
Right.
way, daemon threads, they won't do anything. They are just
Okay.
service providers. You can understand service providers. For example, I have to shift from one place to another. Some vehicles, some
Yeah.
transport vehicle, I have bargained with. Is it not?
Right.
Their job is only
Yeah.
one
Or
day, one
Packers
hour.
movers.
Yeah, packers movers. Couple of hours time. They
Right.
provided services for me, and after that,
Yes.
I don't know who they are and who am I. They don't know. That's it. Over.
Right.
So just service providers.
Okay.
They won't do any actual job. The actual jobs will be done by
Okay.
threads only, but daemon threads are
Sure.
service providers for other threads or objects. Okay.
Okay.
Daemon thread executes continuously. It works continuously, and it generally provides a background processing. Okay. Background processing.
Okay.
It just provides a background processing, and nothing more than that. There are a
Sure.
couple of methods in that actually, like ease daemon. Ease daemon is a method present in threads concept. You can use that ease daemon, means to know if a thread is daemon or not. If you want to find whether a thread is daemon
Okay.
or not, you can use a method called as ease daemon, and it is a
Okay.
it returns it is having a returning nature, and it returns either true or false. Means boolean
Okay.
value. It is going to return boolean value. It returns
Okay.
true if it is a daemon thread, or false if it is not a daemon thread. That's it.
Okay.
The method name is daemon.
Okay.
Wait, I will explain a little bit about that. So first of all, point number one, daemon, DAEMON, daemon thread, nothing but service providers. Point number one, service providers, and there is a method by name is daemon.
Simon.
So what is the purpose of this? It returns a boolean value. Returns boolean value. Boolean property means either true or
True or false?
false. That's it. So if true means what I told. Maximum they may ask this
It is a
demonstrate.
demon.
They may ask you in interview. Rare cases they may ask
Okay.
you. So this information is pretty much enough. Nothing more than that. True means
Sure.
yes, it is a daemon. It is a daemon. Else, no. I think you understood now.
Yes, it
No,
is.
it is not a daemon. That's it. No, it is not a daemon. False means. And now,
Okay.
life cycle of a thread. We will go with life cycle of a thread. This can be asked 3 or 5 marks interview question, just like life
Okay.
cycle of JVM, just like that.
Hmm.
So first of all, I told now a thread is created. A thread object you are going to create by using new, isn't it?
Right.
New thread, new thread. Oh, it is 450. Okay. Shall I close tomorrow? Life cycle of a thread. One extra class is there today. Yesterday I
Okay.
have not taken. One
Hmm.
class I have not taken couple of days before, and I promised
Okay.
today I'm going to take at 5. Tomorrow, within 15 minutes, I will complete this thread life cycle. Okay.
Okay.
Within 15 minutes, I will
And
complete, and
sure.
then I will move to next concept.
Okay. So
Okay.
tomorrow files and this.
Files I will start. Files or wrapper class. It depends upon mood again. I
Okay.
cannot say. If I am in good mood, I can go with files, because
Okay.
files easy. Of course, this is the maximum difficult thing which you came across. Threads,
Okay.
that is
Hmm.
crossed almost all. Life cycle is very easy. Tomorrow I will complete. Within 10 minutes I can
Okay.
complete, 10 to 15 minutes maximum.
Sure.
And then immediately, my it depends upon my mood. If tomorrow I am free,
Okay.
I will go with files. But
Sure.
see, again, Sunday, Monday I may not take, I told now.
Yes.
That's why, unnecessarily, why to feel that, I mean, why you are getting a gap, in the sense, better I go with wrapper classes. Only one day concept wrapper classes, I can complete
Okay.
wrapper classes